Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the USB debugging not able to enable in this device. So to enable the USB debugging, first of all we need to enable the developer options. So here you can see I already enabled the developer options. So here you can see we are not able to enable USB debugging. You can see we are not able to enable this one. So let me show you how to fix this problem. So under the USB debugging you can see blocked by auto blocker. Okay, so first of all we need to disable the auto blocker in this device. For this, go to settings. Now tap on the option security and privacy. Scroll down. Here you can see the option auto blocker. Disable this one. Tap on turn off. Now go back to the developer options. Scroll down. So you can see we can simply enable the USB debugging. So simply in this way we can fix how the USB debugging is not able to enable. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.